On a busy evening when time is short but your cravings are big, this smoky grilled sausage with golden potatoes is exactly what your dinner table needs. It's quick, easy, and so good, you'll want it on repeat. The potatoes are crispy, the sausage is juicy, and the sauce. It's creamy, smoky, and unbelievably flavorful. Plus, we'll pair it with a refreshing apple citrus drink. Subscribe and share because this recipe is about to be your new favorite. Start by washing 5 medium Yukon Gold potatoes under running water until clean. Peel off the skins with a vegetable peeler, then rinse the peeled potatoes again to remove any grit. Slice the potatoes into thin, even rounds, about 1/4 inch thick. These thin slices will cook quickly and get beautifully crisp on the grill. Place the potato slices in a large bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, a pinch of dried oregano, salt, and black pepper to taste. Toss everything together until the potatoes are well coated. To speed things up, place the seasoned potatoes on a microwave-safe plate lined with parchment paper. Microwave on high for 5 minutes. This softens the inside so they cook fast and evenly on the grill. Next, take 4 smoked sausages. Use the sausages as they are. No slicing. Their skin will char and crisp up beautifully on the grill, sealing in the smoky juices. Now, prepare the creamy smoky sauce. In a small mixing bowl, add half a cup of sour cream, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, a 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika, a pinch of cayenne pepper, and a small pinch of salt. Mix everything together until the sauce is thick and smooth. This sauce is cool, smoky and tangy. It's the perfect contrast to the grilled sausage and potatoes. Heat a grill pan or stovetop grill to medium-high heat. Lightly brush the surface with oil. Once hot, place the microwave potato slices on the grill. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes on each side until they develop golden grill marks and crispy edges. Transfer the grilled potatoes to a plate. Next, place the whole smoked sausages on the grill. Cook them for about 4 minutes per side or until the skin is blistered, browned, and sizzling. The aroma will be smoky and irresistible. While the sausages are grilling, make a quick apple citrus drink. In a large pitcher, pour in 2 cups of cold apple juice. Add the juice of 1 lemon and 1 orange. Stir in a few fresh mint leaves and plenty of ice. This drink is crisp, refreshing, and naturally sweet. Now, time to plate. On a serving platter, arrange the grilled potato slices in a circular layer. Place the grilled sausages on top. Spoon the creamy smoky sauce over everything, letting it drip slightly over the sides. For a fresh finish, sprinkle chopped parsley and a few thin slices of red onion. Serve with the apple citrus drink and, if you like, a side of quick pickled cucumbers. Just slice 1 cucumber thinly and soak it in a mix of 1/4 cup vinegar, red pepper flakes, optional, 1 tablespoon sugar, and a pinch of salt for 10 minutes. This smoky grilled sausage with golden potatoes, creamy paprika sauce, and citrusy drink is the ultimate quick weeknight meal. Juicy, crispy, creamy, and refreshing. All on one plate. And there you have it. An easy dinner you'll make again and again. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and tell us in the comments. What's your favorite sausage to grill? Thanks for watching. See you in the next fun food story.